Costco reported second quarter revenue of $69.6 billion. That beat the analyst estimate of $69.29 billion, according to Pro. The membership-based retailer reported earnings of $4.58 per share, which was better than the $4.57 estimate. Now, net sales for the second quarter were up 9.1% year over year. Total comparable sales were up 7.4% on a year over year basis. And a breakdown of the region is as follows. It increased 5.9% in the US, it increased 10.1% in Canada, and increased 13% in the other international area. Membership fees came in at approximately $1.36 billion, and this is up from $1.19 billion in the prior quarter. What does this mean, Ryan? Well, this means that your hot dog and soda is still going to be $1.50. I am pleased to report here today. Costco said it currently operates 924 warehouses, including 634 in the U.S. The company exited the second quarter with approximately $17.38 billion in cash and cash equivalents. Costco's management team will further discuss the quarter on the earnings call that they reported last night. And guess what? I have some insights from real quick. We have a retired analyst who joins our happy hour all the time. And when we talked about the conference call, I asked him flat out yesterday, I said, what are some important things to kind of gain from the conference call? And one of the things he said, which I hadn't thought about, was the tone of the conference call. So I went through the transcript and I had AI help me and compare it to the last one. Here's what I have for you. The tone of Costco's quarters call is confident, upbeat, and execution focused, and is broadly consistent with last quarter's tone. Though management leans even more into operational momentum, digital initiatives, and pricing leadership this time, overall, the current call feels very constructive, which management sounding confident in the business model, expansion runway, and the ability to use efficiency gains to boost and expand margins slightly and reinvest in price and wages. From the transcript, references like I shared this last quarter and as we discussed in prior quarters show that the prior call already had a positive tone, but this quarter builds on that stance rather than changing it. In other words, the tone has not swung meaningfully. This call largely enforces last quarter's constructive message, but with more proof points around digital, AI, and pricing actions, and slightly more comfort around membership and renewal trends. We saw one of the trends is that more and more people are moving to the executive membership. Could this be because you get more rewards, just literally in cash mailed to you automatically? Maybe it's the fact that you can enter the store an hour earlier. I know that's a huge selling point for me. So Costco seems to be absolutely smacking it on all of these metrics, which is just fantastic to see.